All right, let's go ahead and take a look at room 7331. So as you can see, as we walk into the room, it looks pretty similar to the layout at Pop Century. Still lots of space. This right here is the table bed that will fold down to the second queen bed. I love this because not only is it space saving, but it adds a table without taking away one of the beds. There is a little built-in nightstand right here that has the Hey Disney. It also has a good amount of plugs right there and some storage in the cubby right there. Here is the beverage station with some storage on top. This drawer has all of your coffee needs in it. There is the beverage cooler. Here is the little credenza. There's plenty of storage on top, and you can see that there's a good amount of plugs and charging ports. There is your safe, some more storage. You've got your extra pillows and blankets here on the left side. Three good-sized drawers. A good amount of space right here. This is where I'm going to put the owner's locker and then our stroller. Some hooks right there. I love that there are 5 hooks because we have 5 people in our family. Spinning around, you can see that fun artwork right there. Nice queen-size bed. There are nightstands on either side, and you do have those ports and charging plugs there. Cubbies on both sides as well. Underneath, there's a good amount of storage. I love that Disney is doing this where you have the little platforms so that you can put your luggage underneath. And then walking into the bathroom, it's a barn door style, very space saving. Hi. We've got a good tall cabinet here with some hangers to be able to hang up your clothes, your ironing board, some shelves here on the left side of the mirror, a decent amount of counter space, but you also have that shelf too, so it would be able to work, I think. More storage underneath. Your hair dryer and your iron there as well. Makeup mirror here as well. And then walking in, here is the tub shower combo. And your toilet. And then that gets separated by a pocket door with a mirror. One last thing, here is the thermostat, and it only goes down to 68 degrees. Overall, a very nice room. This is just going to be for my son Jonathan and I, and we're going to have plenty of space here for the next 2 nights. That's going to do it for this room tour of a standard room here at Disney's All-Star Sports Resort. If you stayed at this resort before, let me know which section you stayed at and if you enjoyed the rooms. If you'd like this content, make sure to hit like and subscribe to the channel so you can see more room tours from all the different resorts here at Walt Disney World. That's going to do it for today, friends. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.